Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. I just did a video earlier today on this and putting a hairline, cut line, outline around this raccoon. And I stated in that video, and if you didn't watch part 1, you'll be a little bit confused. I don't like contouring when it's a color, and I'm going to kind of show you why. It's not that big a deal, but sometimes it can cause a problem. So I'm going to do the same contour to the outside, and you can see what it's going to do. Now, you go break the contour apart, and then grab your contour, and there's your original drawing, and you can left-click, right-click. Now, you've got some internal, which we did earlier too. Then just go to Object, break the curve apart, and just grab the outline, and you have an outline around it. I just like seeing it in a wireframe type hairline, especially when I contour. So it'll work either way, but there are some files that you can't really, it's not that easily to do when you use the fill. So if you didn't watch part 1, we took this and made it a outline, and then we applied the contour to it. But when you do something like that, make sure you make a duplicate of your item, and then take away the outline. Let's go ahead and make it red, and then hit apply with the contour. Go to Object, break the contour apart, and then grab that contour and just move it over. Not always make it red, just to remind you that it is a cut line. Now, if you look, we do have some interior part. There's a lot, the best way to do it is just go to Object and break the curve apart, and then that breaks those parts apart. Didn't hit the arrow key, and then just delete that trash. So you can do it either way to answer that person that questioned it, but that's the way I like doing it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.